Some folks will throw away scraps in a minute, not me. Here is a piece of scrap batting that I am going to use to do a quilt as you go. So I am going to measure this because I don't want to waste a lot of fabric when I am constructing this block. It's going to be 8.5 inches to start, and then I will size it down. And I'm making 2 of them. So as you can see, I cut 2 pieces. I'm going to draw a line on the diagonal just so that I have a place to lay my strips down as I begin this process. I predetermined all the scraps that I could possibly use. And because I'm making 2 of these, I'm going to press my strips and then cut them in half. It doesn't matter how wide the strips are. This is going to be totally scrappy, and it is a quilt as you go. You just want them to be bigger than a 1/2 inch so that you see something, because there's going to be a 1/4 inch seam on each side. Once that's done, I take my first 2 pieces, right sides together, so the wrong side is down and up on this, and I'm going to line it up just nice and neatly, and then I'm going to take it to the machine, and I will do a 1/4 inch stitch right down that one side. Once that's done, I can open up the yellow piece so that both pieces are laying flat, right sides up, and just give it a good press. To make this process go faster, I'm going to place 2 more strips on top of the yellow and the pink on either side and line them up just as nice and neatly, right sides together, and pin them and take them back to my machine. And again, with a 1/4 inch, I will sew both sides. Press those open, and then I can do the last 2 for this one. And I'm using a triangular shape, just because it will help me to get right to the corner of this square. It's the only reason I'm using it, but you could use strips and keep just going out. It's up to you. Once everything is done and the entire square of batting is completely covered, now I can take that and flip it over and use my ruler or my square, whatever you want to call it, and just size that up. I'll just cut off all the excess, save that excess for something else. And here is my final 8-inch block. Done. Pow! That came out really cute. I didn't put a backing on this. That was intentional because I do want to do something else with this, and I didn't feel like putting binding on it, truth be told. So here it is, and I will show you in the next video what I'm going to do with this.